we are going to find out the coordinate of center of gravity of a loop of the curve given by y square into a plus x. This is equal to x square into a minus x. Okay. Before using the formula of center of gravity, we first try to draw a rough sketch of the curve or of the loop of a curve. Okay, and it is clear that if we write the curve as y square, this is equal to x square into a minus x by a plus x. From here, if we put x equal to 0, we get y equal to 0. So the curve passes through the point 0, 0. So we draw x axis, y axis, and curve must be passes through origin. Okay. And it is clear that if we put x equal to a, then also y equal to 0. So the curve passes through the point or cut the x axis at a 0. Okay. And if we put or replace y by minus y, then there is no change of the curve. So from this condition or this property, we say that the curve is symmetric about y equal to 0, that is about x axis. So it is clear that the curve has a loop in between 0 and a, because this is symmetric about x axis in between 0 and a. So we draw here a loop in symmetric manner about x axis. This is the loop. Okay. And it is clear that if we put x, this is equal to minus a, then y square tends to infinity, so y tends to plus minus infinity. So also from this property we say that x equal to minus a is an asymptote of the curve, and this is x equal to minus a. X, this is equal to minus a. Okay, and since x equal to minus a, we get y tends to plus minus infinity, so the curve becomes this type. Okay, and this is the total curve for the given equation, and this is our loop. We have to find the CG of this loop. Clearly, due to symmetry about x axis, the CGG must lies on the x axis. Okay, this is x axis and this is origin and this is y axis. So the coordinate of CGG must be 0, y bar. Sorry, this is x bar, 0, because G be a point on x axis. Okay, so we have to find only the value of x bar. Okay, now to find the value of x bar, we take the integration or formula of x bar as integration, and in the lower side this is also integration, and it is clear that the value of x from 0 to a, because here the origin 0, 0 and this is a 0. So we write both the limit as x equal to 0 to a and here x equal to 0 to a. Okay. And if we consider a strip parallel to y axis of breadth dx, okay, and parallel to y axis, and if the point at p xy, so it is clear that the length of the strip is 2y, because this is p xy, so this is p dash, this is x minus y, and the length of the strip is this. Hence, we write the area element or area of the strip is dA. This is equal to 2y into dx, because the length is 2a and dx is the breadth. And we multiply it by row and get the mass element dm. Okay, and the distance of this strip from y-axis, this is x. Okay, so the formula of CG is x into dm, and in the lower integration this is x into dm. Sorry, this is not x, only dm. Now put the value of dm on the upper portion and lower portion. We write this is rho 2y dx, and this is rho 2y dx. We cancel out rho 2 because these are the constant. Now put the value of y from the given term. We get the integration as upper integration is 0 to a x into here we get also another x, this is x square into root a minus x by a plus x into dx, and in the lower term this is 0 to a, and y this is x into root under a minus x by a plus x into dx. Okay, now for this integration put x, this is equal to a sin theta, and dx this is equal to a cos theta d theta, and we change the limit of integration from x to theta. This is 0 to a and this is 0 to pi by 2, and this integration becomes 0 to pi by 2, and this is x square, means a square sin square theta, and this is we put here a minus x, this is we get a minus a sin theta by a plus a sin theta into dx, this is a cos theta d theta, and for the lower integration this is 0 to pi by 2, and we put here x, this is a sin theta into root under a into 1 minus sin theta by a into 1 plus cos theta, sorry, this is also sin theta into a cos theta d theta, and we cancel out a from this, also a from this. Okay, and we cancel out here a and here also a. So here only a remains on the upper integration. For the upper integration, here a and 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta, and from this relation we get 1 minus sin theta, and the lower term is 1 minus sin square theta, because we multiply numerator and denominator in the surds by 1 minus sin theta, and this is cos theta d theta, and also for the lower integration this is 0 to pi by 2 sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta into cos theta d theta. Okay, sorry, there be a root and also there be a root, and it is clear that root under 1 minus sin square theta, this is cos theta, so this term and this term cancel out, and this term and this term also cancel out. Okay, so this is a into 0 to pi by 2, and this is sin square theta minus sin q theta d theta by the lower integration is 0 to pi by 2. This is sin theta minus sin square theta d theta. Clear? And we use here the formula of gamma function, a into the integration of sin square theta. This is given by half into pi by 2, and integration of sin cube theta, this is given by 2 by 3 into 1. Okay, and for the lower term, the integration of sin theta, this is minus cos theta, the range is 0 to pi by 2, and integration of sin square theta, this is half into pi by 2. Okay, so we write the result as a into pi by 4 minus 2 by 3 by, this is by putting the range, this is 1 and this is pi by 4. So 1 minus pi by 4, and calculating this result we get a by 12 into 4 into 3 pi minus 8 by 4 minus pi. That is, the result is a by 3 into 3 pi minus 8 by 4 minus pi. Okay, so the coordinate of CG is given by G. This is equal to a by 3 into 3 pi minus 8 by 4 minus pi, 0. This is the center of gravity of the loop of the car. Okay, this is very important problem from your center of gravity. Thank you.